Let's consider this example. Work out 7/10 plus 1/4. We'll do the solution on the next slide. We need to find a number that 10 and 4 will divide into. And I can think of two numbers. One is 40 and the other one is 20. Now there are clearly other numbers, 100 for example, but the 20 and the 40 are the two that immediately come to mind. And 20 is the smallest number, and that's the one we're going to use. So we write the 20 down, as you can see, and this is going to be the denominator for the final result. 10 divides into 20 two times, and then we multiply by the 7, which is the numerator. 4 divides into 20 5 times, then we multiply this by 1, which is the numerator. Of course, we must remember to bring this plus sign down to here. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 5 times 1 is 5. All this gets divided by the 20. This will equal 14 plus 5 is 19, divided by the 20. Therefore, 7/10 plus 1/4 equals 19/20.